Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a problem about a polynomial. So let p of x is equal 10 to times x to the power 6 plus a times x to the power 5, b times x to the power 4 plus c times x cubed plus dx squared plus ex and plus f such that p of 1 is 1, p of 2 equal 2, p of 3 equal 3, and p of 4 equal 4, p of 5 equal 5, p of 6 equal 6. And the question is, f is equal what here? Find the values of x, of f. How we gonna do it? Let's work together. But as usual, before we start, I kindly call for your support. Please subscribe my channel to support me keep working. I work really hard, and please support my channel, subscribe my channel, and like and share the video, and we start the solution together. Okay, we know that p of 1 is 1, p of 2 is 2, up to p of 6 is 6. So we say if x is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then p of x is equal x because we have here p1 is 1, p2 is 2. This means if we say p of x minus x will be 0. Yeah, and then we let g of x be another polynomial is equal p of x minus x. So we make p of x minus x is a polynomial g of x. Then we would see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are zeros of g of x. So then we see show x equal 1, 2 up to 6 are zeros of g of x. Okay, it's g of x. And since g of x is, we rewrite the g of x because g of x is p of x minus x, so we have g of x is equal, get back here, we replace p of x, so 10 x to the power 6 plus ax to the power 5 plus bx to the power 4 plus cx to the power 3 plus ex squared plus what is this? Not a c d dx squared plus ex and plus f. Then we minus x here. That is g of x. And g of x is degree 6 over here, so we have g of x has degree here, degree of 6. And we have x equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are 6 zeros of sub g of x. So by the theorem, fundamental theorem of algebra, fundamental theorem of algebra, fundamental theorem algebra say that if a polynomial has degree n, so it has at most exactly n zeros. So now g of x has degree 6, so g of x has exactly 6 zeros, which is we have it here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And because that is the zeros of g of x, so g of x can be rewrite as we have another, we say alpha times x minus 1. So alpha x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3, x minus 4 times x minus 5, and times x minus 6. So because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are 0, so we can factor g of x like this, and we don't know alpha. But look at this one, we know that g of x, the leading terms of g of x is 10 times x to the power 6. So we know that alpha gonna be 10. So leading term of g of x is 10x to the power 6. So we can imply that alpha is equal 10. So we get back to g of x. So g of x, we get back we replace alpha but 10 back here. So we have g of x is equal 10 times x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3 times x minus 4 times x minus 5 and times x minus 6. So if we multiply, we expand this one, we would get the constant term, exactly the constant term of g still f here. The constant term of g is still f, and then the constant term going to be 10 times 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. So then now we have, from this one we would have f is equal 10 times negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and negative 6. Then this will be 630 times 4 is 220, 360, 720, so it's going to be 7,200. So that is f. So we have the answer to the question here. F is 7,200. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.